While going on YouTube, it's your boy AMG Kirk coming at you with another unboxing slash on feet review of the 2021 release of the Cool Gray 11s. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So before we get into it, I just want to let y'all know, ever since they started doing the reservations to get J's, I've been unlucky. So, you feel me? This is the first time that I'm winning a reservation on the Foot Locker app, to be exact. You know what I mean? Never ever. So every year around this time, when them J's come out, yeah, I put in my reservation, never win. First time. But yeah, I'm gonna put up the screenshot of my winter reservation. I mean, your boy feeling good. I'm elated, you feel me? Got something I wanted, but let's get into it. Yes, starting with the box. You know, not your regular pull-out box. You know, I think paying $225 plus tax, I feel like the box should be, you feel me, a little bit more gusto, you feel me, for that $225 price point. Shit. But yeah, gray box. So you already know. I got them in a size 12 focus. Foot Locker. Price, I don't know if you can see it, but focus. That was $225 in tax, so it was $245. Focus. Anyway, I'll do another shot of that. Now, what you all been waiting for. Myself too, for years. 11 years to be exact. And then 9 years before that. Yes, sir. Cool Gray 11s. Yes. Bow. I don't know. I see people doing reviews about the higher cuts and the lower cut and all this type of vibes, but I'm just happy I got them. You feel me? Yes, sir. High cut, low cut. I'm in the cut. You dig?